friends, welcome to our mathematics program for grade 7. This is the second part of our program on angles. Today, we'll have a look at an instrument used to measure angle. We are going to show you how to use it and write down the size of an angle. Finally, we are going to end the program with some exercises for you to practice. You have learned about the types of angles in our previous video. Today, we move on to demonstrate how to measure an angle accurately and write down its size. To do that, we need an instrument. Instrument for measuring angle. This instrument used to measure an angle is called a protractor. We have two types of protractor. One, it is the semicircle, and one with a circle. Usually, it is the semicircle that we use. Now, the protractor. You will notice that we have two scales, the outer scale and the inner scale. An easy way of remembering which one to use is by identifying where the angle is opened. Figure 1 is opened from the left, so we are going to use the outer measurement. Figure 2 is opened from the right, so now we are going to use the inner measurement. This exercise is for you to practice how to read a protractor. Let's measure the angle in figure 1. Reading an angle. This notation usually represents an angle. So we are going to read it as follows: angle X, Y, Z. Or simply, we say angle Y. Sometimes an angle can also be represented by letters A, B, C, or X, Y, and Z. Now we are going to learn how to measure an angle using the protractor. Before measuring an angle, it is a good practice first to estimate the size of an angle. This figure is an acute angle. So the angle will lie between 0 degree and 90 degrees. Now we are going to use the protractor to measure the angle. Now, the angle is at the vertex Y, so we are going to place the center of the protractor at Y. It is open from the left-hand side, so the left hand will lie on the arm YZ. We place the center of the protractor at Y, the left-hand side on the arm YZ, and we read up to the arm XY. We notice that it is 60 degrees. Don't forget, you always start with the 0 degree and you go up to the arm XY. So this angle is 60 degrees. Angle XYZ is equal to 60 degrees. Let's have a look at a second example. Now, figure 2, we notice that it is an obtuse angle, so the angle will lie between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. Let's measure it again. You will notice that it is open on the right-hand side, so we place the right-hand side of the protractor. Don't forget, the middle of the protractor should be at the vertex B. And we read it up to the arm AB, which is 110 degrees. So, the angle ABC is equal to 110 degrees. The following worksheet is some exercises for you to practice. You may access the worksheets on the link appearing on your screen. Before ending this program, let's have a quick recap. Today, you have learned how to measure an angle with the use of a protractor, where to position your protractor, how to read the measurement scales, both inner and outer, how to write the size of an angle with the correct mathematical notation. Friends, we have come to the end of our program. You may work out the exercises with your friends, parents, or even your teachers. Our next program will be on types of line. Until next time, it's goodbye.